We have some more injury update, this time from the world of MXGP and Maxim Reneaux. During the Swiss round, had a pretty big crash, and if you haven't seen it, you'll see the clip coming up right here. But he did end up providing an update saying, quote, "Big crash in the last laps of race 2 in Switzerland. Pity I was on podium position, and it would have been good to get there after these tough last weeks and injuries. Luckily, it looks like I am fine. I am completely sore and struggle to walk at the moment, but it's only contusions and looks like no broken bones. Let's give it some days and see what will be the plan for the next weeks." Obviously, this is good news. You never want to see anybody get injured, and if a crash like that doesn't end up involving any broken bones or any injuries other than just being really sore and probably bruised to hell, that's an always positive. Now, after 6 rounds of the championship, Maxim sits fifth in the total championship with 188 points, behind Glenn Koldenoff, Lucas Conan, Roman Fevra, and the leader Tim Geiser, who, if you missed that, has a separated shoulder or a dislocated shoulder. So the rest is, well, at least for a while, for the racing for him is going to be very, very sore. So you could see a lot of point shakeup, however you want to say it, coming up soon. And I don't know. To me, I like MXGP. It's a completely different world, tougher tracks. Seeing the difference in tracks between country and country, and to me, it's exciting. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Are you watching MXGP? Do you want to watch it? Have you just don't care because you're only an American motocross and supercross fan? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.